Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a morning skincare routine with a focus on how to repair a compromised skin barrier, how to take care of your skin if you've used a product and things haven't quite worked out well for you. I'm sharing the products that have really worked well for me. A couple of videos ago I was using the Elemis Superfood, I don't even know what it's called, the Elemis Superfood Berry Boost Mask. I'm gonna have the name on the screen. I was using that face mask and all was well, although I remember saying that it made my skin super dry, but literally the next day, I used it on a Sunday, and the next day on Monday my forehead just my forehead was saying no. I had all these bumps and I really feel like because it was so drying, it just completely wrecked my skin barrier, just completely like left me with all sorts of randomness on my forehead. And so for the whole of last week I was just following this skincare routine that I'm about to show you. I didn't use a single acid apart from my face cream, which is kind of acidic but very gentle. I didn't do a single acid treatment. I didn't use a single acid. I just was really focused on healing my skin, making sure that it was moisturized at all time. The real focus was on hydration and moisture, and that is what I'm showing you in today's video, just in case you're like me, you've used the mask, you've used a skincare product and your skin is just whoa, your skin is freaking the F out. So I think you might like this. I won't keep you here for too long, so without further ado, let's just jump straight into the video. Okie dokie guys, so let us get straight into it. So first things first, I'm gonna go in with my Radial Vitsy Brightening Cleansing Pads. Guys, it has been a hot minute since I last used these because like I said, my forehead just was doing the most this whole week after using that Elemis face mask. So I've been steering clear of like acid and acid products, but it's been a week. My forehead has calmed down, so I figured it's okay for me to get back to my routine, my acidic routine. But instead of going super crazy with everything, I'm just gonna do really gentle acids and gentle products. I know that this has like glycolic acid and lactic acid and vitamin C and things that can be quite irritating, but I found that Radial's products are very gentle on the skin. So even though they do have like a bunch of, you know, quite intense chemicals, they don't do a lot to my skin. Bearing in mind, I don't have sensitive skin, so I think if you have sensitive skin and you've wrecked your moisture barrier, is it moisture barrier or skin barrier? But if you've wrecked that barrier and your face is just all in bumps, I would probably not use these. I would skip this first step because this first step is acidic, and unless your skin has completely healed, then you don't want to be irritating it with more products, with more acidic products. So definitely skip this first step if you have sensitive skin. It's not necessary. Or even if you feel like your skin has kind of returned back to normal, then you can still do this step. I always wipe this all over me, even though I've just had a shower, but I feel like it's good to get that vitamin C into the body to get it like bright. I find like I've missed using these pads. I've definitely felt a difference in not using them and using them. Like my skin just feels very different. It doesn't feel as like fresh and like airy. So that's that done. My face feels good. Okay, then next up, this is definitely key if you have a compromised face. Toner. This is my all-time favorite toner. This is the Fresh Rose Floral Toner. If you've been here for long enough, you'll for sure know this bad boy because I've been using this since a long time and absolutely love it. Really obsessed with this. This is soothing and hydrating. This is most importantly alcohol free, so if you do have irritation on your face, this won't irritate your skin any further. This is a soothing toner that significantly moisturizes the skin for 24 hours. This is made from rose water, which is revered for its calming and hydrating benefits, and this helps to remove impurities and clarify the complexion for a healthier looking skin. And this is just really nice. So this hydrates and refreshes, and like I said, it's infused with rose water. So if you do have irritated skin, sensitive skin, this is definitely a great thing to try out, and I love it. I'm really obsessed with it, and I feel like everyone should try this if you can. If your skin is sensitive in particular, this is going to be really good for helping to hydrate your skin. Literally all of last week my main goal was literally just hydration. I didn't put any acid on my face. It was just hydration, 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 and that's really the only thing you can do when your skin has been compromised like mine was. And you see, it gives you such a nice glow. Like I look super glowy. I think that and the cleansing pads have just helped to make me, I look super orange. Literally not even matching to my chest, but that's okay. Then next up, you guys know, if you've been here for long enough, even just for 2 weeks, you will know I've got my fresh Kombucha facial treatment essence. This helps to soothe and this boosts luminosity in your skin. This is also really good to help against pollution. Just because we're all at home doesn't mean there is not pollution indoors, which I actually only recently discovered, indoor pollution. This is rich in natural acids and vitamins. The kombucha deactivates pollutants and provides antioxidant protection. This is also really hydrating. I have a separate video on this if you want to know more about this. However, guys, if you watch that video, bear in mind that my thoughts have changed on this because I'm actually obsessed with this right now. When I first tried this, I wasn't that impressed by it, but tunes have been changed because I actually went ahead and bought this. So love this stuff, and this is going to be really good to just hydrate your skin and give it, you know, that extra bit of love. Pat in. Ooh, nice. And then always just bring that down because why not? Listen, guys, the skincare. I think the great thing about skincare is that when you kind of know how to heal your skin, it's just great. Once you find those products that are really good for your skin, that your skin just vibes with, that's just literally the best thing ever. Okay, then next, what I have, I've got my eye cream. I'm just gonna put this on just because I need eye cream. It's funny because I kind of alternate the order that I put on eye cream. Sometimes I put on eye cream after my serum, sometimes I put my eye cream on before my serum. There's no reason or rhyme to it. I keep going back and forth on this, but I think right now I don't like it. I just feel like I wouldn't recommend this just because I've not seen much of a difference in my skin. Then again, if you're lighter than me, you might see a difference because Lorna Lux loves this. Maria, well, obviously she owns Rodial, so it would be weird if she didn't like it, but Maria Stefanis loves this. It's her brand, obviously, so she'll love it. Me, if you want an eye cream, the only eye cream I can really recommend is the Fresh Black Tea Age Delay Eye Concentrate. Guys, watch that video if you want to know why I love it so much. And then next we've got the Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Face Serum. Guys, this is the hero product, I have to say. This works so well on its own, but it works even better when paired with the toner because it's really great. This again has rose water in it. This also has angelica leaf extract, which helps retain moisture, and this is really good for 24-hour moisture, and it boosts the skincare ritual that follows. They say that this intensely hydrates and gives you a healthy looking glowing complexion, which I have to agree with. This is probably one of the oldest products that I've been buying from Fresh. Ooh. If your face is feeling like irritated, this will help you. This will just really soothe your skin. I think out of this whole routine that's not yet finished, the three main products that I think are really just going to help with your skin barrier and just keep it hydrated, because at least for me, what I found, the thing that works the best for me when I do have irritations or bumps and like compromised moisture barriers is hydration. So actually these two are the key for that. This toner will just, it really just sets the tone lol, for your whole skincare routine, and then this serum is really hydrating and it really packs a mighty punch. Even if the only thing you use is these two and a moisturizer, your skin will still be good to go. If you're feeling a bit extra, feeling a bit splurgy, this is definitely a big major splurge, but I think it's really worth it. When you combine the three together, ooh girl. But better yet, which I feel like this is such a tangent, better yet, if you combine all of these three products and then you also use the Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Sleeping Mask in the evening, I mean, mic drop moment. You're done. You're like, you don't need anything else in your skincare routine. Those four products I think have been the main saving graces helping me and my skin over the last week, because they're just super hydrating and they really bring the moisture and the goodness back into the skin, and you really can't ask for anything more than that. The next, I'm going to use the Glowport Azelaic Acid Spot Gel. I've got a, it's not really a spot, it's like a bump coming up. I'm eating a lot of celebrations these days, so I'm just gonna do a tiny bit because I don't want to put this all over my face. My face has only just recovered and we're still in the opening start. This gel has just been like, you know, let me just this gel has literally been such a game changer. If you have spots, you have to try out this gel. It's definitely a game changer. I love it. It's really good. And they say you need to keep this on until it dries completely. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to quickly moisturize my arms. I never usually do that with you guys, but my arms are so dry and it's so cold that the cold is going to make me more dry. And then to moisturize my body, I just have the Nivea Irresistibly Smooth, this blue one. This is for just dry skin. There's one that's for very dry skin, but that's just too thick and there's no like movement to it, whereas I found that this one really works to moisturize my skin, especially after a shower. The color is coming in. So everything has dried down. Good. So then next I'm going to go in with the Glow Pore ACE Moisturizer. I have been using this over the last week just because it's my daily moisturizer. So I guess technically I have still been using acids and stuff, but this is very gentle on the skin and it doesn't do anything crazy. This has vitamins A, C and E, but I like this because it is really gentle, so I haven't really felt anything crazy while using it. And there we have it. Face cream is on. We're looking good, feeling hydrated. Woo! My forehead in particular now just feels so good. If you could have felt or seen my forehead last week, like on Monday, and seeing what it looks like today, it's just completely different. And that is just to the skincare routine that I've been doing, minus the cleansing pads. Ugh, love it. Okay, so I'm going to quickly run and get dressed, and then when I come back, we're going to do sunscreen. Woo! Hi guys, I'm back, I'm dressed, just got a hoodie on and a cardigan, feeling warm and cozy. Oh, also guys, this is the Lorna Luxe Lola in the Style thing. Super old now at this point. I think she's had lots of new collections since, but yeah, I feel so warm. Finally, it's nice to have my clothes back on. But anyway, okay, back to the skincare routine. So next up, we've got sunscreen. This is the Bondi Sands Daily Moisturizing Face SPF 50. Fragrance free. This is UVA and UVB broad spectrum. Shake, 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 shake. Dot that on. You want to make sure that you're wearing sunscreen every day. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Sunscreen is going to be especially important if you are using acids. Duh. And just to protect your skin really from the sun, because I feel like it may not be sunny, but there are UV rays coming in through the window, the walls. The walls? The windows. Wow. Coming through the windows. I literally like an Oompa Loompa. Anyway, I'll take it. Oh no, I left my lip balm. My lips, my poor lips. Like I really need some lip balm. Oh well, that's okay. Put some lip balm on afterwards. But anyway, guys, so this is everything. This is us done for the day. Whew, very simple, guys. If you are using products and you found that your skin has just reacted in a way that you didn't expect it to react, you've got bumps, flare-ups, your skin feels a bit more like dry or whatever, this skincare routine, minus the cleansing pads, so it's going to be really good to help hydrate your skin and like push more like moisture and all of that good stuff into your skin. This routine is my fail-safe routine when I do have any like weird skin issues, although the two products that have really helped me for the last like couple of years that I've just been using for so long is the Fresh Deep Hydration Face Serum and the Rose Floral Toner. These two, I've been using them for years. These really help if your skin is feeling super dry, super sensitive. These have just been really great for me, but I feel like everything else also works in tandem just to help everything with your skin. And for the last week, this is the routine that I've been following, again minus the cleansing pads, and my forehead is good as new. I think I've got like some real faint bumps, but I feel like those are gonna disappear in the next couple of days. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any questions down below in the comments. I'm no skincare expert, I just like what I like and I like to share that with you guys, but if you have any questions, I'll do my best to answer them. And yeah, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you if you have already subscribed, and I guess in the meantime I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.